Hello children, today's topic is all about AY family words. That means words with the long A sound. Let's get started. The letters A and Y together make a sound A. The long A sound, just like the name of the letter A. So the letters AY sounds A, A, A. The first word is hey, H, A, hey. May, A, may. Pay, P, A, pay. Play, Cl, A, clay. Play, Pl, A, play. Pray, Pr, A, pray. Spray, Spr, A, spray. Crayon, Cr, A, on, crayon. Now few more A family words. Bay, day, hay, lay, may, pay, ray, say, way, play, play, pray, tray, stay, away, spray, delay. Essay, always, mayor, layer, crayon. Bye bye kids, see you later.